Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another video. So I'm here with my brand new TCL 10L. Okay, so in this video I will be taking a look at the themes and also the live wallpapers and static wallpapers that come with this device. So if I long press on the display there, we have the themes option, and there's two themes that come pre-installed. Unfortunately, there's not a store, so you can't download any more themes from anywhere. These are the only two themes that come pre-installed, and it's quite a shame really. There's no store where you can download more themes from, because I'm a guy, I like to customize my devices. So yeah, these are the only two themes. So this is the default theme, round style, and the second theme is freestyle. So I'm just going to apply the freestyle theme just to give you all a better look of how it looks. So as you can see, it's nice and bright and purple. Really does look good. Okay, so let's take a look at the wallpapers. Okay, so here we have the static wallpapers on the left. And all these wallpapers are very nice, bright, colourful and sharp. And they all look very nice on this beautiful display. So let me just apply this one. And this one's very nice as well. So there's quite a few to choose from. And we also have live wallpapers as well. Okay, so this is my favorite live wallpaper, this purple one. It has these little particles that move around on the display. And then we have this one here. And this one. This one's just like the previous one, but it's a purple, it's like a pinky purpley colour. And then we have this one, this greeny blue. And as you can see, we have these little rays of light there. What a shooting through. This wallpaper is very nice, I must say. And then we have this red wallpaper, which is just like the previous one. And once again, you have those little rays of light. And then we have this one. It's brownie colour. It's like a brownie dark grey blue with like a little hint of gold in there. So I'm just going to apply this one. This one's my favourite. And as you can see, it looks very nice. So yeah guys, this is just my video taking a look at the static wallpapers, live wallpapers, and also the themes on the TCL 10L. Be sure to give the video a thumbs up, also share the video. Thanks for watching. It's your boy the Android Doctor, and I'm out. Deuces.